Let me show you how to create an amazing pop-out effect in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, place the image. Go to Select Menu and select Subject. Again, go to Select Menu and invert the selection. Press the Delete button and deselect the selection. Align image into the center. Now select Polygon tool and draw one triangle like this. Adjust size and position of triangle like this. Drag down the shape and create the clipping mask. Now press Ctrl+J for duplicate the image layer. Add layer mask of this layer. Go to Brush tool and brush like this. Now select this layer and go to Blending Options and add the stroke. That's it. Pop-out portrait effect is ready. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.